Introduction. Hello everyone, and welcome Fact Sauce channel. Today, I have an exciting topic to discuss with you all. We'll be diving into the fascinating world of female genitalia and uncovering 5 surprising facts that you probably didn't know. So, if you're interested in learning more about this intriguing subject, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell, so you don't miss any of our future content. And don't forget to share this video with your friends who might find it just as intriguing as you do. Let's get started. Fact 1. The clitoris and penis are homologs. Let's start with our first surprising fact about female genitalia. Did you know that the clitoris and penis are actually homologous structures? It's true. During embryonic development, both the clitoris in females and the penis in males originate from the same tissue. This means that the clitoris and the penis share many similarities in their structures. For instance, they both have structures called corpora cavernosa, which are spongy tissues that fill with blood when aroused, contributing to sexual pleasure. So, just like the penis, the clitoris can also become engorged and increase in size during arousal. A recent study conducted by the Oregon Health Sciences University shed some light on the clitoris's incredible sensitivity. It revealed that the clitoris contains an average of 10,000 neurons, making it highly sensitive and capable of providing immense pleasure. In fact, it's perhaps the only organ solely dedicated to pleasure in the human body. So, it's truly fascinating to see how the clitoris and penis, despite their apparent differences, actually have these remarkable similarities. Now, let's move on to our next surprising fact. Fact 2. The clitoris has a foreskin. Now, let's move on to our second surprising fact about female genitalia. Did you know that the clitoris has its own foreskin? Yes, that's right. It's called the clitoral hood or prepuce, and it serves a similar protective function as the foreskin of the penis. The clitoral hood covers and protects the clitoris, safeguarding it from infection or irritation. It's like a little shield for this sensitive organ. However, just like the foreskin, the clitoral hood can sometimes encounter issues. Oil buildup or dead skin cells can cause inflammation, discomfort, or even adhesions between the clitoris and the hood. This situation is similar to what men experience with a condition called smegma, which can be uncomfortable and affect sexual pleasure. In women, these issues with the clitoral hood may not always show noticeable symptoms. However, they can make it more challenging to achieve orgasms or cause pain when the clitoris is touched. Fortunately, there is a procedure called clitoral adhesiolysis that can be performed in the doctor's office to address these problems. It aims to free the clitoral glands from the hood, relieving any discomfort and restoring proper function. While this area is not widely studied, a small study involving 41 women reported positive outcomes. 76% of the participants reported improvement in pain, and 63% reported improvement in sexual arousal after the procedure. So, it's crucial to understand the role of the clitoral hood and how issues with it can impact sexual well-being. Now, let's uncover our next surprising fact about female genitalia. Fact 3. The labia minora can vary. Now, let's uncover our third surprising fact about female genitalia. Did you know that the labia minora, which are the inner lips of the vagina, can vary significantly from person to person? It's absolutely normal for labia minora to come in different shapes, sizes, colors, and thicknesses. Just like our fingerprints, our labia minora are unique to us. Unfortunately, there's a misconception perpetuated by digitally altered images in pornography that suggests a specific ideal appearance for labia minora. This unrealistic representation can create unnecessary insecurities and misconceptions about what is normal. In reality, many women have labia minora that may protrude beyond the outer lips or have asymmetrical lengths. These variations are perfectly natural and should be celebrated as a part of our individuality and diversity. Furthermore, during sexual arousal, the labia minora can undergo changes. They can enlarge and become 2 to 3 times larger than their usual size. Additionally, they may change color, transitioning from a pinkish hue to a deeper, intense red just before orgasm. These changes are temporary and part of the body's natural response to heightened sexual excitement. It's crucial to appreciate the uniqueness of our labia minora and embrace the natural variations that exist. Let's move on to our next surprising fact about female genitalia. Fact 4. The vagina changes during sexual arousal. Now, let's delve into our fourth surprising fact about female genitalia. Did you know that the vagina undergoes changes when preparing for sexual activity? It's fascinating how the body responds to arousal. As sexual excitement builds, the walls of the vagina send signals to the brain, indicating readiness for sexual activity. In response to these signals, the body begins producing natural lubrication in the vagina. Additionally, the vagina undergoes an increase in both width and length. In its non-aroused state, the vagina typically measures about 3 to 4 centimeters in width and 8 to 9 centimeters in length. However, during arousal, the vagina can expand and accommodate an erect penis, increasing its size by up to twice its usual dimensions. It's important to address a common misconception here. Some individuals worry about having a loose vagina after engaging in sexual activity. However, this is a myth. The vagina is incredibly adaptable and resilient. It expands and contracts to accommodate various objects, including a penis, during sexual activity. Afterward, it returns to its normal size and shape. So, it's crucial to understand that the vagina's ability to change during sexual arousal is a natural and wonderful aspect of female anatomy. Let go of any concerns about a loose vagina and embrace the body's incredible adaptability. Let's move on to our final surprising fact about female genitalia. Fact 5. The vagina is self-cleaning. Our final surprising fact about female genitalia brings us to the incredible self-cleaning ability of the vagina. Yes, you heard it right. The vagina is designed to keep itself clean and healthy. The vaginal environment is naturally protective. It produces an acidic pH, thanks to the presence of estrogen. This acidic environment plays a vital role in preventing infections and maintaining the overall health of the vagina. In addition, the vagina harbors beneficial bacteria that form the vaginal microbiome, further protecting against harmful bacteria and infections. If you experience recurrent yeast infections, bacterial infections, or urinary tract infections, it may indicate an imbalance in the vaginal microbiome. In such cases, using vaginal estrogen, especially for women who no longer produce enough estrogen due to factors like menopause, surgery, or certain medications, can be an effective treatment to restore the microbiome's balance and prevent recurring infections. Now, it's essential to understand that the vagina does not need any external cleaning. In fact, it's not recommended to clean inside the vagina. The vagina is self-regulating and perfectly capable of maintaining its cleanliness. Douching, for example, is not necessary and can disrupt the delicate balance of the vaginal microbiome, leading to potential complications. If you want to clean the external areas, it's best to use mild, soapy water and focus on the hair-bearing regions. Remember, the vagina has its own unique smell, and that's completely normal. It doesn't need artificial fragrances or douches to smell like flowers or any other synthetic scent. It's perfect just the way it is, with its own natural scent. So, let's appreciate the vagina's incredible self-cleaning mechanism and refrain from unnecessary interventions that can disrupt its natural balance. Your body knows how to take care of itself. And with that, we conclude our surprising facts about female genitalia. Conclusion. Before we wrap up, let's quickly recap the 5 surprising facts about female genitalia that we've explored today. First, we discovered that the clitoris and penis are homologous structures, sharing similar anatomical features and embryonic origins. Next, we learned about the clitoral hood, also known as the prepuce, which serves as a protective covering for the clitoris. We discussed the potential issues that can arise and the in-office procedure called clitoral adhesiolysis as a solution. Then, we explored the variations in labia minora, emphasizing that differences in shape, size, and color are completely normal and should be celebrated. We also discussed how the vagina changes during sexual arousal, increasing in width and length to accommodate sexual activity. We dispelled the myth of a loose vagina and highlighted the vagina's remarkable adaptability. Lastly, we discovered the self-cleaning nature of the vagina and the importance of maintaining a healthy vaginal microbiome. We discouraged the use of douching and emphasized the body's natural ability to maintain cleanliness. Remember, viewers, it's essential to take care of yourselves and appreciate your bodies. Each of us is unique, and our bodies are a reflection of our individuality. Explore further, learn more about sexual health, and embrace the wonder of your own body. Thank you all for joining me today. If you found this video informative and enjoyable, I invite you to subscribe to our channel, like, share and comment below for more insight so we can learn from one another. Take care of yourselves because you're worth it. Until next time.